Hello, my name is Santiago and I would like you to ask you something. Do you know how many animals are killed every year by human activities? Just in order to get food. We usually kill around 77 billion animals a year. If the number is too big for you, figure out how to measure it. You can reduce the amount by thinking only in one day of that year. 210 million animals a day are killed to provide us with food. To this number, you may add the amount of animals hunted for fun, or the ones that are dying around the globe because of our industrial and expansionist activities. This is no new information. Actually, you can read in pretty much every single web page that deals with the topic. What is giving me hard time to understand is the lack of empathy. Most of us are showing the facts. I'm not playing just around the school. You can count with one of your hand's fingers. Numbers of classmates interested in taking this as a real trouble. Why is it so? Why do we care so little about this amount of animals getting killed? Let me share one experience. I had a couple of years ago. As any other kid, I was attracted by the power of a slingshot. Some of my friends already had one, and I didn't want to be behind. I asked to my parents for one, and they took me this place. The seller, kind of a young man, looked at me while I was about to pay the object and smiled. He told me that killing animals was kind of his passion. He liked to kill squirrels, badgers, and birds. He said that the slingshot I was doing was one of the best for the task. Can you imagine how we felt at that moment? No, don't blame the seller. He was doing his job. He was trying to convince his client about the good quality of his products. The real matter for me was to know that on my hand I had this powerful tool able to kill animals at my wallet. In no time, I hurried and talked to my parents. I asked for some help. I really want to understand everything related to the issue. As all the other parents, they calmed me down, but also they let me know that beyond the seller and his passion for life, there were consequences, and their way I started asking questions about it. Of course, I didn't provide with no answer. They told me that I would be better if I discovered if I was looked for by myself, and there I was surfing on the net and asking questions for experts. I found that killing such animals was not just a matter of taking life according to experts. Then its balance may cause a huge in it. For example, the reduction in numbers on a specific species can trigger a chain reaction in which the whole ecosystem may be extinguished in no time. Probably, you will say, this is crazy talk. Knowing one simple death can cause such a mess. But I will tell you something. My own place, Xalapa city in which I live, has seen drastic changes over the last years. One of these examples is the reduction in numbers of little rodents. You know, my city is located in a cloud forest region within the aquifers and many of other plants they live. They're pollinated and thanks to substances present in the fur of some rodents. I think that you can figure out of the rest of it, right? By killing these animals, we're damaging that thin balance in our ecosystem. It may seem silly, but we are experiencing it in front of our eyes. Now, this is my question. If a simple little animal, such as a rodent, could bring so much unbalance to an ecosystem, what can happen when bigger species get less number in a planet? One simple and basic action may help us from now on. I said not to slingshot. I got information, and now I have on my mind what needs to be done to protect the balance between all the aspects of my environment and surroundings. This is my advice. Keep all the animals alive, get information about what is out there. Get involved by taking small steps first, such as decreasing the amount of meat you're eating or using less paper at home. Then, once you feel ready, share your experiences with others and let them know. There are basic things that they can do to help. Thanks for your attention.